Hello friends, welcome to AARU'S. Today we will make a very simple 2-ingredient sweet recipe, that is Nariyal Mawa Burfi, which won't take more than 10 minutes of your time. To make this, heat a pan, add around 3 to 4 tablespoons of this it melts, add a cup of mawa. You can use homemade mawa or the one purchased from market or even leftover sweet to give a twist to taste. Cook it till it melts and leave oil around the edges. It is done now. At this stage, we will add a cup of desiccated coconut powder to spatula or spoon, whatever you have, and garnish with some almonds. Let's serve them and enjoy. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Bye bye till we meet again.